Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in your Comerica Bank account on your phone. Step 1. First unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for Comerica Bank. Make sure it is the official app. Then tap Get or Update if an update is available. Step 2. Once installed, tap the Comerica Bank app icon on your home screen to open it. Step 3. On the login screen, you will see the box of your username or ID. Tap in the same username you created and you set up your online banking account. Step 4. Next, enter your password. Step 5. Comerica may ask the extra security a code sent to your phone. Just follow the on-screen instruction and enter the code or answer. That's it. Once you are logged in, you can check your balance, transfer money, pay bills and more. And that's it. That's how to log in to Comerica Bank on your phone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.